In this video, I will be showing you how to create pillow mockups in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll go to the Canva homepage and click on the Custom Size button. I'm going to select the 8.5 by 11 inch dimensions from my recent list to open up a new blank document. Once the canvas loads, I'll navigate to the Elements tab on the left-hand sidebar. I'm looking for the Mockups section, so I'll scroll down through the categories until I find Home and Living. I'll click See All to browse the available options. I'll select this first pillow mockup and drag the corners to resize it so it fills the center of my page. Now I'll click Add Page at the bottom to start a second mockup. I'll choose this one with the pillow on a bed and scale it up just like the first one. I'm going to repeat this process a few more times, adding a new page and selecting a different style of pillow each time, like this one on a wooden bench and another showing two pillows together. I'll make sure they are all positioned and sized perfectly. I'll add one more page and select this final mockup featuring a pillow on the couch. Next, I need some designs to place on these pillows. I'll head over to the Photos tab and browse through some aesthetic images. I'll pick this floral pattern and simply drag and drop it directly onto the pillow placeholder on my first page. I'll move down to the next page and find another design, perhaps a softer floral or a different texture, and drop it in. I'll continue doing this for the rest of the mockups, choosing different patterns from the magic recommendations to see how they look. It's as easy as dragging the photo until it snaps into the mockup frame. I can even try out a darker floral design to see how it changes the mood of the scene. Finally, when I'm satisfied with all my mockups, I'll go to the top right corner and click Share, then select Download. I'll keep the file type as a PNG, and I'm going to increase the size slider slightly to ensure a high-quality export. I'll make sure all my pages are selected, and then hit the Download button to save my new pillow mockups.